just how to test the sound effects in Bop It. First, remove the battery. And release the power by pull it to power on. And hold Bop It and reset the battery. Keep holding, and when you reinsert the battery, keep holding it until it says solo.
Solo.
And then pull it 3 times.
Press US 4.
And then twist it, bop it, and then pull it. And then when you hear a beep, then pull it again. Then there's all these sound effects.
Yow! Oh! Yeah! Oh! You're out. Score high. Wow! You beat Bop It to keep going. Bop It to start. Solo. Passing. Quiet. Loud. Blasting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 20, 100. Oh! So close. Focus. Concentrate. You can do this. Too fast for you? I remember my first time playing